System errors causing the Libpwlxx.dll DLL crashes in CyberLink Application. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. Before starting the detailed Libpwlxx fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the Libpwlxx, a specialized GCC-related helper library. It provides unmanaged routines for low-level system calls and exception handling, facilitating the localized execution manifest for data links. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Libpwlxx belongs to the CyberLink Application bundle and is unique to that software. Performing a full reinstall of the latest version of CyberLink Application will restore this file along with its related binary components. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Libpwlxx file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing Libpwlxx.dll error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. Review repair-related information for Libpwlxx by consulting the diagnostic utility linked below. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Libpwlxx critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.